waterproof, pH, TDS, conductivity, ORP, SG, temperature tester. Model LJ600, LJ600. 7 parameters in one instrument. This is our main instrument. This is the battery compartment. To replace or install battery, these are the sensors: pH, TDS, conductivity, ORP, SG, and temperature sensor. This is on-off control. This is hold and temperature control, also up key. And this is mode, means main display, or calibration key, or also down key. With this instrument, we supplied standard solutions. First is pH sachet, six 6.86 pH, 4 pH, and 9.18 pH. 3 sachets are there. Also 2 pH buffer bottles, 7 pH and 4 pH. Conductivity, TDS standard solutions 1.408, ORP standard solution 475 millivolt. For calibration, and this is the instruction manual, warranty card of 1 year, and instructions how to use and secure for long life. Now, how to use this instrument. This instrument seven in one, 7 parameters in one instrument. You have to like switch on the instrument like this. In this, on off key, mode, display and temperature key, mode and cal key. Mode is main display, cal is for calibration. Now this is the pH. Sometimes when you press this key, in the corner H hole is there. It means you press the wrong key. Then press this key. This is conductivity. Unit is microsiemens per centimeter. And this is ppm. This is TDS. This is salinity. This is SJ. ORP. And temperature is at the down display. This is Fahrenheit. And this is the centigrade. It means in this room temperature is 29.2. Now suppose you would want to calibrate pH parameter. Then suppose this is the pH standard solution 6.86. Suppose, and then opening this bottle, dip in this like this. Press cal key up to 3 seconds. Calibration mode is active. Now solution value is 6.86. Again press. Now it is calibrated. Now it display the pH value. Any parameter you want to calibrate, go to that parameter, pH, conductivity, TDS, ORP, SG, and press cal key for 3 seconds and release that key. Automatically cal mode is active and calibrate your standard solution like this. Now I am calibrating conductivity. I am refreshing this with distilled water. Now I am taking the standard solution. Suppose I am dipping this, go to down key, press cal key, Now it is calibrated. Now this is calibrated. In this way, you can calibrate all parameters which are in this instrument like pH, TDS, conductivity, ORP, ST with the help of standard solution. Only you have to press on that display parameter, press cal key for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds you have to release cal key. Automatically instrument calibrate on that calibrated standard solution which you have to dip in the instrument. These are the all. Again I am refreshing this with the distilled water. You can also calibrate with the help of this standard solution which are supplied with the accessories. This is TDS calibration solution. Which is supplied with the accessories. ORP standard solution 475 millivolt. Instruction manual. All precautions and operating sections are given this. Warranty card for 1 year. These are all about for this instrument: waterproof, pH, TDS, conductivity, ORP, SG, temperature, LJ600. Very easy for use. You can also make this solution of pH 6.86 in 250 ml double or triple distilled water for calibration use only. Thanks.